They don't slap France president oh. Now what Oyinbo people on a sabi get mind. Where we say you go just decide say you won't go slap a whole president. President, you know they even fear. This president, where he name now Emmanuel Macron. They say this man they go for one walkabout section for France. Now there this kind of thing happen before we go see. I don't know behind the touch where the man touch the person before the man just give him. Why? Making our first watch this video.
But after visiting a local school in the Rhone Valley, the welcome from one man was shockingly hostile. From another angle, you can see his security team bundling the president away as the man is tackled to the floor, shouting, "Down with Macronia." The president's only injury perhaps to his pride, but this is being seen not only as a security breach, but an assault against the embodiment of the French Republic.
Oh, I don't see as this man just give this president slap. Hey, some people, if say this one happen for Nigeria, in fact, Buhari go don't kill you. If you don't even get a chance to near president rich like this, talk less of say you will come go slap him. People get mad. If not be say now even this security said now first. In fact, I sure say one kind giddy go fight for that even happen for that kind of place. So because this one, the slap enter. But how you go they slap your, you know they fear your president. This one they rude. At least respect him saying now your president. Not just go and disgrace him like that. A person will don't come and say, now him be the leader of the whole town. You can't decide say you won't go slap him. Now wow, as he be like this person now they don't arrest him. But they talk say now two people they arrest because of say this man wear nose mask, wear glass. So it be like say they're not too sure who slapped this person. But video day now, make them go check this video. Make them no go arrest person who don't know anything about this matter. See, because they slap president. Where the Buhari won't even do this crowd walk about for Nigeria. Maybe himself go collect his own slap as the matter be. Because this is where people know they fear. People, this man, in fact, now Oyinbo, because I sure say African person, one kind black person, you go slap your president. I be even China. That China president way short. You can't decide say you won't go slap him. In fact, you go see heaven and earth on that same day. Because some people they wicked. Now, Dele Momodu and Showore say don't come outside. When they talk about this video where they trend, Dele talk saying, if now President Muhammadu Buhari, so you go don't die, you go exorate, you go die, you go come exorate again before they go call heaven. In fact, they go kill you multiple times. Now what's in Dele talk? Say if say now Buhari this thing happen to, and they hear them. This one can't go abroad. You get power. Go they do it for your abroad person. In fact, no do that mistake. Come Nigeria. Show what else have come talk saying. If say France now Nigeria. Say the whole entire southern France, therefore don't burn them with Nigerian army go don't come scatter that place. Make you see as Nigeria be, that means everywhere for Nigeria now about violence. So if say now our president, now somebody go just make an even talk say do him. The person go do mistake, just give him, but just knock him small like this. In fact, they can't cry. All your family we don't know what happen. The one we know all of them they go bundle na like said, go drop na for one kind village, kill all of them. Oh, people, they try, but this one, is they rude. At least you know say your president. Fear them small, just even if you don't like him. We know say no be this man feel they do good, but no be everybody go like him. As we say they complain say Buhari no good. Some people say feel say Buhari they work. So this kind of matter, if you be say this Emmanuel Macron, people feel like him, but this man in particular, now he no like him. I mean maybe as Macron touch him, because if you now watch the video, he touch him for maybe the man no one make corona catch him. Now he make and give and slap we don't know as the matter be, but as he be, they don't arrest him. And Oga Macron I beg suffering the verse because this kind of thing, bless say the man don't even ready to fight. But as he be a president, now he's supposed to compose himself, behave like one elderly man, who will not say himself be leader. But as the matter be, making I write anything when I feel about this kind of story for the comment section. Then make now don't forget to like share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on for our next video. This they happen people make we dey very careful. One Nigerian man just enter Nigeria from Germany come meet in death if saying no, if for just dey abroad, they live in life in peace. This man wey don dey for Germany for the past 20 years. This man no face any wahala he no face any trouble. But as Oga just enter Nigeria, now there everything scatter. They say this man wey him name now, Ogochu, Unachuku, making a no verse, our Igbo people. Say this man go away, go visit him family because now there his wife and his children they live. Say he won't come spend 4 weeks for him family place. This man stay for him family, enjoy himself time don reach now for am to comot. Na oga say make I go Owerri airport, na go enter airport wey go Lagos. Then from Lagos I enter my flight wey dey go Hamburg. They say as they dey for road, this man im driver, then im wife wey carry newborn baby sef, na all of them dey inside this motor. Say one police come stop them. Na know all this mobile police now wey dey for road, they come stop them, say make they raise up their hand. I no know where this kind of matter dey happen wey be say they go just stop you, say raise up your hand because of wetin you do. Anyways, I hear say these people accept, they no complain. They come and say they raise up their hand, stand for one place. Before they go see, they say make this man, only this man, make this man come stand for one side. As this man stand for one, they just carry gun, shoot this man. For waiting now. Wetin this man do on now? Because this kind of matter, I can't dey surprise. Some people they talk say, bless say this man dey part of all this Biafran group. And the wife said, say this man no dey for any group. Both in Nigeria and both in Hamburg. Say he no dey anything. Say they just kill him husband for nothing. And she get small pikin where she still dey nurse. In fact, this pikin still dey suck breast. How una want make this woman now survive? Some people, and all these police now, they go just do this thing. I don't know the kind devil where they dey our police people, their mind. They go just they behave like say sense they no get be one knot don't come up from their head. Now this police, we don't even know where in dey. But as it be like this man don't die. He don't already die. Nothing where they won't do about him matter again. Now to find this police, because all these people now mobile police. If say this wife said probably she don't look the name of this police cloth. I mean all this, all this kind SAS police now when they know they wear clothes, they go dress like Agbe, they stand for road. You no go no police, you no go no thief. If now this kind police now, how this person want to identify this person? They just kill her husband now for free. And now this reason I make people know they won't come back to Naija. They go won't stay there abroad because the way things where people they post, you go wake up. Not the way you no go wake up for Nigeria. See say one bad thing don't happen. If now so it be nobody go agree come back now. Everybody go stay where they dey. Conscious people they even complain say they just kill this man for no reason. And I sure say now person now go send this man, maybe they go kill this person because this man come up from his house in peace. I sure say maybe they don't even they monitor this man. Somebody don't pay him, say, help me kill this man. They don't want to make this man go back where they come from again. Or be na even in village person, say, I be na in family. Don't look and say, this man don't make him for life. He get money, he get everything. Make him go help me kill him. Which kind of life we can't do like this? When we say death now, just be like simple thing. When I go they kill person, I no go even notice if say, now human being na they kill. When I know they feel human sympathy. And I go just they do things anyhow. Now wow, I feel for this woman. Because how she want to start? This man, how she want to start her life now with these children which they take care of? Work no dey because I sure say all this kind of woman that they go their house, they take care of themselves. Their husband go they send money from abroad for them. How she want to do one? And now so we know say SAS. Now so SAS they do. This police where they for I don't know be they be SAS, I be they be another group of SAS. Because now so SAS self they do. You go just they walk out for road. SAS go come meet you. Give me your phone. Where you they go? For no reason, they go just arrest you. Because this man now, he no even dey just, he no even dey right. What thing make us make him come outside? No be American film we dey watch. And abroad you go see say Oyinbo man, Oyinbo policeman go tell black man say raise up your hand. He self go raise am up. But in this case, nothing relate like all of us now black people. What did they tell am? Cocaine dey motor? No, nothing. Now just kill person just like that. Anyway, this man and his family are telling us rest in peace and condolence to honor. As it be like this, make people self comment. This kind of matter, no say go dey vex na for mind, making a comment about this matter. Then make no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. As I'll see you guys in our next story.